gonna start this off by saying I didn't think I would make one of these videos. I always thought it was kind of weird when people were like, oh, thanks, 100, 1,000, a million subscribers, that's, and obviously not a million or 1,000 like that, no. But I hit 100 subscribers this morning. So I'm gonna put this video on YouTube and we'll see what happens. I might take it down or something. But I thought, if I end up uploading 2 more videos and then kind of burn out and decide to stop doing this channel, it'd be kind of funny to look back on this like, oh, thanks for 100 subscribers, so much more to come, in 2 years and see what a loser I am for stopping. Or if I continue and this continues to grow, it would be cool to look back on this in 2 years and see me at 100 subscribers and how pumped up I was about that. So here's this video. Yeah, all I have to say here is thumbs up and thanks to whoever subscribed. Hit 100 this morning. Big Ted, you were number 100. Thanks for commenting and all that. That was fun. Yeah, but so 100 people have decided to subscribe to my channel, which is really weird. So new, so weird. But yeah, that's all this video is. Just thanks to whoever subscribed. Subscribe if you want to. I put out almost weekly woodworking videos. They're pretty weird. I'm not comfortable sitting in front of a camera and talking. Yeah. This is going to be a highly edited video to make it seem like I'm saying something logical. But yeah, really, just thanks to anybody that subscribed. I guess what really happened was my parents and friends made 100 fake accounts to subscribe to me with, which, that's still pretty impressive. So good work, guys. Yeah, thank you. I'm going to try to continue to put out videos on a relatively weekly basis. Thanks to everybody that's commented on things. That's big. Man, I got to stop because I'm just rambling on. But yeah, this video is just to say thanks to anybody that subscribed. You guys do things. Let's continue to Toyota. Let's go places. I really don't know how to end this, so enjoy some of the bloopers. Until next time, Ryan Lochte. I'm not actually Ryan Lochte. Ryan Lochte's a swimmer. And then stop. It'd be kind of, oh, look who got glue on there. All right, focus, composure. Why am I dipping my elbows in the cutting board? It is the cutting board I'm making. Anyway, I don't want this to take 10 minutes.